In this video, I will show you how to correctly draw the base. Okay. So if you look at this base, this is a very long base. This is a strong uptrending stage 2 stock. Let me put the moving averages. See, blue, green, red, the 50-day moving average, the 150-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. So it's a strong uptrending stage 2 stock. And I want to draw a base around here. This is the consolidation. That's the base. So I want to draw a base. So what I will do is I will go to this Fibonacci retracement tool. I will select this Fibonacci. This is 0.1. This is 0.2. These are the two extremes of the base. So I will just connect these two. Okay. See, 0.1, 0.2. Okay. If I want to measure the height of the base, I go here, I select info line. So from here, 0.1 to 0.2, how much is the distance? It's 30%. So the stock has gone up and corrected 30% from the top. So that is where the consolidation started. Okay. Now, if you notice this base, you see this red line here, that's the midpoint of the base. So this entire base I have divided into upper half and lower half. Now, why is this important? This is important because my buy point, whenever I want to buy the stock, my buy point has to be above the midpoint, which is above this red line. If the buy point is below the red line, that means the stock is drifting down. So I'm not interested in buying the stock. That is why this red line, the midpoint of this base, is very important. It splits the base into upper half and lower half. Now you see this shaded area. I have further divided the upper half into two parts, the topmost quarter and the second quarter. Okay, so this quarter and this second quarter. Okay, so the upper half has been divided into two areas, and the top area I have shaded in color like this. Why is this important? Because see, there are shakeouts in this base. See, this low was taken out, then again this low was taken out, again this low was taken out. So these are shakeouts. So whenever there are shakeouts in the base, you have to give the stock some time to come up, consolidate here, and then play the stock for a longer move. If you are buying in the second quarter, okay, that means, see, as you can see here, a lot of price action has happened in the second quarter, above the red line, but below the upper quarter. So in such case, if you buy the stock, you have to play it for a shorter move. However, if the stock takes a month, 1.5 months to come up gradually, put some small baby-like candles here, do some nice consolidation here. Here, if you buy in this area, let's say there are 10 candles in this area, closing prices, okay? And these are the very small candles. In such case, if you end up buying the stock, you could play it for a longer move, okay? So what I do is whenever my buy point is above the red line, of course, I'm going to buy the stock. That it is not a question of whether I will buy or I will not buy. I have to buy, okay, because that's my criteria. As long as the price is above the midpoint, the only question is, should I hold it for a longer period of time or should I hold it for a shorter move? That information is given by the upper quarter. If there is nice consolidation in the upper quarter, then I will play it for a longer move. If there is no price action or no consolidation in the upper quarter, I will play it for a shorter move. Now to draw this base, just go here, click here, double click here. Visibility, don't do anything, just keep it like this. Coordinates, don't do anything, just keep it like this. Style, in style, you go with the 0 level, which is this level, then the 1 level, which is this level, then 0.5 level, which is the midpoint, and 0.75, which is this level. So 0, 0.5, 0.75, and 1. Okay. And of course, if you want to change colors, you can change colors as well. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 lines are important. Okay. And make it this way so that the area gets shaded. You can use any color you want. Nothing to change here. Only these 4 parameters you need to change. You can change the background and things like that. Is not important. Okay. All of these things are not important. So just go to this Fibonacci, take this Fibonacci tool and make the settings, and you should see the base like this. Okay. So remember, the upper quarter doesn't give you a buy or sell decision. The upper quarter just tells you how long should you hold on to a stock, because generally it is observed that whenever there is price action in the upper quarter, most likely the stock remains above your buy point for a extended period of time. Extended means anything about 2 months or 3 months. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful. Two things to note here: how to draw the base properly and how to measure the height of the base. You can use this info line tool here. So measuring the height of the base is important because it tells you whether you are looking at a strong base or a weak base. Okay. The higher the quality of the base, the longer you should hold on to the stock. The lower the quality of the base, the less amount of time the stock should be in your portfolio. So I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, just put them in the comment section. I would love to discuss that. Thank you so much.